The other day you saw us get this front frame rail rolled over. Today what we're gonna do is finish up this other side. Cal and my dad have already been working on it today and they got the pie shapes cut out. So we'll get that done up and then we're gonna make a radiator support and see what else we have time for. Dad and Cal got this cut out just a little while ago. I just made it out to the garage. We got a little bit more grinding to do to make sure this is perfectly level. And we'll take this clamp and work it down like we did to the other side and get that tacked together. Alright, right here you can see everything cut off. Nice and rounded out. Everything looks even. So we're going to start pulling this down, making it look nice. Doing a little self-filming today. Dad's out there working on someone's car today. Cal, he took off. We don't know where he went. He had work today. His first day in the real world. Get a couple tacks on this real quick. When you're cutting those frame rails, it's kind of hard to make sure that both sides are cut perfectly even, because you can't draw the same line on each side because we already had this stupid thing on here. So now we're just gonna deal with what we got. Looks like this side can go up just a touch. All right, there we have it. We've got the frame rails all rolled and slanted down, looking nice, like the original frame horns on a 56 frame. So now we're gonna go ahead, take a look at this radiator here and see how we can make a brace like I have in Loud and Ugly to mount to this flat part of the frame right in front of the water pump here. We'll make it nice and easy, removable, probably 2 bolts, just one on each side. With a whole frame system that will hold the radiator on. Today we finished up rolling the driver's side frame rail here, and then the majority of the day we worked on getting things fabbed up and cut out to get this radiator support done. So now that we've got that done, we need a steering box. Still looking for a Vegas steering box. Cal just got a job, so hopefully he'll be able to pay for that by next week. Then we got to work on the tilt front end. That's going to take a lot of time. I'll be sure to cover a lot of footage of that because I know a lot of people have questions about how we do the tilt front end and how everything works. So stay tuned and we'll catch you next time.